understanding the B2B buying processes is like having the ultimate playbook. We're still selling to people. Regardless of what you're selling, the laws of psychology still apply. Many think that B2B advertising only has to use logic and information, yet there is so much more room to really use emotion and entertainment because at the core, we're still talking to a person. So B2B ads don't have to be boring. The goal of this course is to accelerate your success to becoming a high-performing B2B marketer who knows how to use advertising to drive legit business and revenue impact. You'll walk away with a solid understanding and foundation of B2B advertising without wasting your time and money learning the ropes the hard way. Just like you wouldn't want to start building a house on a cracked concrete foundation, the same is true for building a paid media program. The goal of every lesson in this course is to be as short as possible and as actionable as possible. We want to make digital advertising training accessible to everyone, and that's why we're providing it for free when we could be easily charging for it. I'm Brittany Blanken, and I'll be your instructor for this course.